How to install Frontier Airlines app. So just tap get and then you are able to install this app. So here it is. Book flights and check in with the Frontier app to save time and money. Travel is easier than ever before with the Frontier Airlines mobile app. Book your next trip, search flights and explore our route map and destinations. View and manage upcoming trips, upgrade your seat to Upfront Plus, Premium or Preferred, or select the standard seat. Add a carry-on bag, checked bag, bundle, priority boarding, or other options. Check flight status, including departure time, arrival time, and gate information. Save time at the airport with fast checked bag drop or by going straight to the gate without checked bags. Join Frontier Miles to earn travel miles and elite status points. So there you have it. You can just allow using the app. And then yeah, you can just book your flight. So here is just much easier to do in the app. And also, sometimes when you do it in the app, you have app only deals or some promotion codes which are available only in the app. I don't know if it's the case with Frontier, but here is you can have some deals as well in the app. So yep, that's what it is. So Frontier Airlines make the sky for everyone with its low fares done right. With over 100 destinations and a route network that connects people to all corners of the country, Frontier enables people to go places they never expected, whether to our main hub in Denver or to international locations in Mexico, Puerto Rico, Jamaica, Guatemala, also Dominican Republic, and Canada. At Frontier, doing good for our customers, our employees, and the plan at the heart of each takeoff, every landing, and everything in between. So that's what it is. So try it out.